Hello student. Today we have to learn how to use text box, label and button control in our window application program. Today we have to see the small arithmetic program which has been created: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. We have to get use of text box control, label control and button control. How we have to see? Just start your window application form and you have to see that in left hand side toolbox, right hand side solution explorer and properties window. In center side we have to see in form which has been given name arithmetic. I have to use text box control. We have to just drag and drop in toolbox like here. Also use label like here. Also use button control like that. We have to just drag and drop and set the name just like enter number. I have to copy label. I have to copy two label. One is a symbolic label, text box. Here we have to see enter the number two times. First number, second number is equal to text box. We have to create text box 1, text box 2, text box 3. Also we have to create a button. Just drag and drop, add button. Similarly subtraction button. Similarly multiplication button and division button. This is our only design part. How it be continue in our programming language means coding. Just click on operation for this button. If you have to operation add, you can click add button. You can operation create in subtraction button, you can click here. If you have to create multiplication code, click here multiplication button. If you have to create division button, you have to code right here division for this. I can write this, double click on add button. We have to see that the coding part like this button 1 we have to convert of this session. Here we have to write this button 1 similar as a add, button 2 as a subtraction, button 3 as a multiplication and button 4 as a division. We have to write code here. Textbox3.text is equal to convert int32 textbox1.text. Here we have to see a textbox1 get a only text value. We have to convert into integer just like short integer, long integer. We have to set its conversion, just type conversion. Symbol is addition and lastly we have to write dot to string. It is a very important for our conversion. It is a main class of subclass of conversion. Similarly addition, subtraction, multiplication and lastly division. This is the our coding part. Each button have a different coding, just like button 1 as a add, different coding, button 2 has a subtraction, different coding, button 3 has a multiplication, has a different coding and button 4 as a division has a different coding. Similarly part is text box 3 can be show the our answer. Text box 1 and text box 2 can get user value. We have to run here, just press F5 or here green button. In case of our programming can be shown in center side. How? Just write this property, form property. Here from property which is start position as a center screen. You have to default 4 properties: center screen, Windows default location, Windows default bounds, and center parent. We have to choose center screen, so we get the output in a center form. We have to write just our numbers. Just click on buttons. We will get the answer. This is our main practical of use of text box, label, and button. Also, in text box, we have to write left hand side or right side. You can set his property. Just click on this side and select text align. Here we have to get 3 properties: left, right, and center. We have to choose right hand side and just run it. Here we have to create our part. This is a small arithmetic program, small application. Just stop the program, just click here or here. Thank you.